Hey guys, I just recorded the All About Bones video, and I'm going to go ahead and record hopefully the rest of them. But this one is called the muscular system. So if you're still watching, or maybe you haven't, maybe this is the first video you're watching, get out 5.3 from your red folder. If you don't have it at home, that's okay. You can just listen. If you do have it, go ahead and go grab the muscular system. It's page 45 and 46. You're going to follow along on this paper. I'm going to read from our reader. The words are the same. The book has the pictures and captions, maps, diagrams, charts. So I'm going to use that to show you because our page references those, and I want you to be able to see it. Maybe you're reading with a sibling or a parent or a friend or a pet, and you want to show them what you do all day, right? Maybe a grandparent. So I'm going to read from this, and I need to find a chapter titled The Muscular System. Where would I go in a book if I am not sure what page that chapter's on? Can anybody think? I hope you said the table of contents because that's exactly where I'm going. I'm going to go to the table of contents. I'm going to look for a chapter that matches the muscular system. Do you guys see it? Can you see what page it's on, or is it blurry? Right here, the muscular system is on page 18. So I'm going to turn to page 18. There it is. Chapter 3, the muscular system. And it matches up with yours. So let's all read the title together, and then we're going to jump right in. Ready? Go. The muscular system. What can I tell based on the title of this chapter? What information can I gather? I think we're going to be reading about the muscular system. Let's see. Put your finger at the beginning where it says, have you ever seen a movie? Yours is on this paper. Follow along. Have you ever seen a movie or TV show in which skeletons chase people? I saw a cartoon like that the other day. The kids were trying to solve a mystery, but they were having problems. Every time they went out to look for clues, a skeleton would pop out of a grave and chase them around. Well, as a doctor, I have to tell you, that's just not very realistic. Bones don't move all by themselves. In fact, bones don't go anywhere at all without muscles. When I bend my arm, I do it by using muscles. I tighten the muscles in my arm, and the muscles make the bones and the rest of my arm move. When you kick a ball, it's the same thing. You tighten the muscles in your legs in order to move your leg bones. And the caption says, can a skeleton chase you? No, he can't. He doesn't have muscles. This slide shows you some of the muscles in the muscular system. You can see that there are lots of muscles in our bodies. There are about 650 muscles in the human body. In fact, about half of your body's weight comes from muscles. And this caption says your body has about 650 muscles. I'm over here where it says muscles are important. Let me show you right here. Muscles are important to us for many reasons. Can you think of some? I'll give you a minute to think. What do you use your muscles for? Muscles help us run and jump. They allow us to stand up and sit down. We use muscles when we lift heavy objects. We also use them when we chew our food and when we smile. We even use muscles when we breathe. And this caption says muscles help us run. You're on the very last paragraph down here on your page where it says doctors divide muscles. Put your finger where it says doctors. Read with me. Doctors divide muscles into two groups, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are muscles that you can make move and control. Involuntary muscles are muscles that you can't control. Involuntary muscles work without you even thinking about them. These muscles work automatically. The muscles that help you move your arms and legs are voluntary muscles. When you want to pick up a box, think about it and then tighten the muscles in your arms so you can lift the box. You can also control the muscles in your legs when you want to make your body run or jump. And here are the leg muscles, and the caption says, you move the voluntary muscles in your legs to make your body run. So what's the difference in voluntary and involuntary muscles? Can you find that in what we just read? Voluntary muscles are muscles that you can make, move, and control. Involuntary muscles are muscles that you can't control. All right, great job. Moving on to this page, you are on the back side, almost finished, right here where it says the muscles that help, or I'm sorry, you're down here, the muscles in your heart. There you are. Put your finger right here where it says the, and read with me, we're almost done. The muscles in your heart, however, are involuntary muscles. They keep your heart beating, whether you are awake or asleep. You don't have to think, it's time to beat again, heart. These muscles work automatically. There are involuntary muscles in your stomach as well. Your stomach muscles keep digesting your food without you reminding them to do their job, or to do the job. All right. That was a little bit about the muscular system. I hope you followed along on 5.3. If you get this page, come back and watch the video, or if you want to read it to yourself and come back and read with me again, please do. The more you read it, the better it's going to be. See ya.